Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 350 subscribers by the end of January, and we're 61 subscribers behind. Today I'm reviewing from the Gundam franchise, the Gundam Epyon Endless Waltz Special Coating version by Bandai. We feel this isn't the version you should buy. Buy the non-special coating version and paint it to a shiny maroon finish instead, as the shiny version can't be sanded or filled like you can without the special coating. Also, Bandai didn't do a good job of minimizing the attachment points to the frame, so you end up with a lot of scarring that you can't easily sand out thanks to this finish. I give this kit a 9 out of 10 on the Sloan's Reviews rock scale of hardness, where 1 is easy and 10 is rock hard, as getting a good clean build will take some real expertise with painting. Piloted by Hiro Yui and Zexi Marquise, Epyon was designed for close quarters combat and uses a whip-like heat rod, a beam sword, and claws to damage its opponents. The Epyon can transform into a mobile armor mode that looks like a two-headed dragon and fly toward or away from combat, but in this mode, most of its weapon systems cannot be accessed. I'm going to start this review with what I didn't like so much, and that's the parts frames. The frames often had very thick attachments to the parts, and with the special coating, you can't just buff out the blemishes from cutting the parts out. Such a beautiful model is left with many blemishes, and at almost twice the price, it just isn't worth it. It is rare that I'm dissatisfied with the Bandai kit, but I must say I was with this one. I did have to glue a few pieces to make them stay on well, like the little side wings on the head. I will post a link of the glue I used as well as the toys I used there in the description. That said, moving on to what I liked, despite the blemishes, it is still a beautiful model that, of course, is highly articulated and posable. The kit does transform into the mobile armor mode, though I just left mine in the Gundam figure mode. The build went well, and the instructions were stellar, clearly describing what went where and where the pieces went together firmly. It is a master grade kit, so there are some pretty small pieces, but nothing too bad. Having already built the Tallgeese, I still have 4 more Endless Waltz Gundams to build. I can't wait to see them all standing together, duking it out on their action bases, and this mobile suit looks great mounted on action base number 1. The Epyon poses beautifully and holds together well, and his accessories match the manga perfectly. I unfortunately lost my decals. Not sure how that happened, but to tell you the truth, I hate applying them anyway. Would I do it again? Well, I won't pay for or do one of these special coating kits again unless I hear it's made better. That said, I still had fun making the Epyon, and I can't wait to start on the others. The Wing Gundam, the Deathside Hell, the Sandrock, and the Mobile Arms. Did you build the Epyon? What did you think? How do you think I did? Feel free to give me what for in the comments section. What gunplay kits are you building next? Help me decide if I should build a Wing Gundam, Deathside Hell, Sandrock, or Mobile Arms next in the comments. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. Please support us on Patreon. Our budget will thank you for it eternally, and Happy New Year to you! I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.